There you go. Now, this is a powerful audio and video editing tool that is as easy to use as a word processor. It is perfect for podcasters, YouTubers, and anyone who creates audio or video content. So, it is a game changer for audio and video editing. Its innovative features and ease of use makes it a valuable tool for content creators. It can help in your content creation business. However, the pricing might be a bit steep for some, but it is built for all creators from aspiring to professional. So you get to transcribe your audio and video files automatically. You get it? And then it is for teams and businesses. There you go. You can see that. So you have the free plan, always because like I said, it's a little pricey, but it's really good. So and the best part is you can work with your team, I repeat, in real life. Help you correct mistakes or add new content with your voice.